This cake where they chop now don't hang them for truth. But you know the funny thing, they give them now. The league now don't give them lifeline to die. They don't give them water. Say yeah, take drink. Maybe push down this thing where you swallow hang for your truth to come out. Instead of them to take this water drink,
They can the bath.
the reason the bath.
Arsenal, they rather lucky victory against Wolves. Thoughts on the game?
You see, you get this thing where they always they talk say if two people get problem, the best person to settle that problem now person wey fit commit terror, that is, fit commit harm. That means a violent person. That be the best person to settle problem. You know why?
Why?
Because he need a waste time to attack. You understand? He need a waste time to attack. Today this match, wetin be the whole thing wey happen for this match, and just small things. No be even big something. Arsenal no lack. You see, Arsenal no get front. Arsenal no get front. Because if Arsenal get front, most of the things will happen. Even that foul where that small boy go commit, which I will come back to. If I no happen, you know why? Because Arsenal for don win this game like 2-3-0 even before that thing happen. So because of say we know say we dey win 2-3-0, that risk for no even take that risk. When team they win like 4-3-5-0, you go to see the players they take some kind risks, they do some kind of skill than they normally do because you already they win. Even IS now one go this people go fit scores. Now this thing now come back to this thing where people they talk say you know if you eat your cake
And have it.
and have it. You understand? Arteta and Arsenal as a club, I will call Arteta too because he's the manager of the club. He don't eat in cake. They don't eat their cake for summer. In the year, they no go fit have them back for inside the league. This cake where they chop now don't hang them for truth. But you know the funny thing, they give them now. The league now don't give them lifeline to die. They don't give them water. Say yeah, take drink. Maybe push down this thing where you swallow hang for your truth to come out. Instead of them to take this water drink,
They can the bath.
the reason the bath. They wash their eye, the bath. And you know you won't die you, but you the and the bath. Watch Arsenal as a team. The defense, they good. Now you see the funny thing, Arsenal gets one of the best defense. You know if you believe say this Arsenal team when they perform well like this. Now the only thing we don't concede. Now only 2 goals they don't concede for Champions League. And all those goals are not be from open play. To tell you how good the defense they. But now the attack, no, they compensate the defense. Now you know the thing they tell me now, even the defense now they help the attack. Watch for the most games.
And defenders they score.
Defender they score. Even Rice will score for our last game. Yes,
Defensive midfielder.
he's a defensive midfielder. Most people they say have 17 goals and assists. My brother, what thing they do? For Havas, so they play all this poorly, they get 17 goals and assists. What did he say world class attacker go get? You understand? If Havas where they play this poorly for Arsenal, they get 17 goals and assists. Havas, everybody they call say you know good to hey yo. What do you think say a world class attacker will get for this Arsenal team? You dey see the difference. That is, waiting they stop Arsenal from achieving any trophy this season or for achieving anything tangible this season. Now just the attack. And another thing suffer them today, another thing suffer them yesterday, and another thing now suffer them till tomorrow. The club go they make a statement say they no one say that they find Arteta make statement yesterday say they find that kind of player we if he need the score. The year will say if he need the score, what thing they do to the team when if he need the score. So me I don't understand when you can go see what Havas they do to the team when as in the score. You understand? So now what Havas they do now when in the score. Havas not fit win any area ball today. Havas not fit trap ball. Every time when they pass a ball, they fall like London Bridge. You they get to the point. So you as a manager, me I don't want to say I don't want to blame Arteta because now in they buy these players and number 2. The board self they like the board waiting me their work. Their work not be to help Arteta as a manager. So I no go only blame Ateta or I no go come blame the players because these players they no be them put themselves for this match. Now somebody they feature them. If those people stop to feature them, bring people with them, the right people to feature those people, then they no go play na bench, they go sit down. Today when I saw the lineup, I noticed Odegaard no dey. I come find out say even the Merino where they go buy come another player really got no waiting they play safe no dey. I know say this problem go add us. No be say Odegaard dey do well, but I know say this small boy when we want put no go fit perform to the standard where Odegaard they perform. Forget all this hype where we dey hype them. Now today e don show na inexperience don show from Lewis Kelly because most Arsenal fans go say no be red card. Is it not a red card, my brother? That is a red card. Whether we like it's a red card. The tackling was bad. Although you no be last man, but you forget the last man part. When they talk about the tackling, the guy dey on motion, you dey go match am for there. You can break that young guy ankle fit spoil. Na red card. But why? Na the inexperience. You dey get my point. You get Tierney, you still get California for bench. Yes, I understand. That boy don't dey do well, something well. But my brother, see, may I tell you one thing for football. If you wan fight Mike Tyson, you no go carry somebody wey just win in 3 straight matches go fight am. You go fight am with somebody wey don get experience. That was now make Holyfield fit fight Mike Tyson because Holyfield don fight more matches pass Mike Tyson. He don get the experience. He don fit endure some kind pressure. Lewis Kelly na small boy. You dey hear California get more experience pass am. Tierney get more experience pass am. You dey get. So as a coach, even though you want to the feature at least, even get like three left back dey bench o. California, Tierney, and Zinchenko. Playing the youth dey good, but no be to dey play them always. Why? Because e go get to their head. Now me one thing people no understand. Wey some coaches they like play them like Guardiola. See the way he take follow Foden. He no rush Foden. He go play Foden today. In the next 3-4 matches, Foden no go play. He go come play am for like 80 minutes to go. He dey put them they come out, put them they come out. You understand? So that thing alone self. Now wetin I feel say I thought myself need to look at, making no just rush these boys and enter. And why they depend on these boys themselves, it go also hinder the team too somehow. In the sense that we dey depend on that Nwaneri to help Odegaard. But today we don't find out say but that guy, the difference big well. He dey just say but this guy, this place when he wan play, he no go fit play am. That means we need to enter market buy another player go play that place. Now be the thing we dey talk. We no get squad depth. Today if you watch the Atletico Madrid versus Bayer Leverkusen, when Atletico Madrid be get red card, we have Veles come enter, come go score that goal. You see the difference between Atletico Madrid and Leverkusen. Alvarez, an attacker, he just enter and he do wetin he supposed to do. That is the work of an attacker. But Arsenal no get am. But most people go say they wan go blame. But no blame anybody today match. Today match na very poor match. The only luck where we get be say Wolves na a poor team wey poor pass us for football. That is the truth. If na another team, all these Bournemouth, Newcastle, Nottingham Forest, and even teams like Brentford and the rest, they for wound us today. Yes, they for wound us because now wetin Arsenal dey do, Arsenal now dey do patch. Ateta now dey do patch to make sure say he just patch some patches. That you know say he talk for press conference, saying he wan look inward. Now the inward he don't look with this don't play red card. Today Arsenal might be lucky. You see what I tell you last time about Dynamo Zagreb. So we win them because we were Dynamo Zagreb was past Arsenal. Dynamo Zagreb dey for Premier League, they go dey where Southampton dey. Now make we feel win them. When people they say we win 3, I say no, watch this thing. We play well, we no play well. Havas score, you say he did well, he did that. Now you don't see the Havas. See, I don't know who feel won't trust the Sterling. Why I tell you say no play well. To won't play this match. He rather bring another extra left back that to won't play Sterling. Martinelli has been absolutely rubbish for this match. But he rather bring in Tierney. You need to notice what they tell you. See, these guys are nothing come out for their football. The team no be here. the team no be play anything. Today I would say I thank God at least we win. At all, na bad pass still we win. You understand? So na just wetin I observe for this ball today. And if you go ask me in case you wan ask me say who be the man of the man, any positive, I say na Timber. For me, he's the man of the match because when we collect that red card, see the way we him play, the way him work rate increased. He no only do well for the match. He no only put it, but he no only help there for the midfield. He also remove the wolf, give wolf player a red card. So for me, he played absolutely well. He try, he carry the mantle for him head. He act like Steve na him be the captain, or don't know be him wear the captain armband. So for me, my positive today na Jurrien Timber. And I would say Arsenal try sef, sha. Mo no like complete. When Arsenal collect the red card, they shoot character. Then most of their matches na back they go sit down. This one at least they try attack. So just my observation for today. Thank you.
Thank you very much.